Hello there, welcome to my studio in North Wales, UK. My name's David Walker, I'm a professional artist. I've been an artist for over 30 years. Over those 30 years I've done demos all over the UK, live demos, and now I've decided to do my demo tutorials on Udemy to reach a worldwide audience. I'm going to show you how to paint watercolours properly, like a professional. We're going to paint pictures to illustrate it rather than just bits and bats here and there. We're going to end up with a couple of nice paintings. So I'm going to teach you how to be bold, how to get the colour on the paper rather than worrying about the outcome. And I'm going to show you how to get stuck in. I love watercolours. I'm going to talk about watercolours every chance I get because I absolutely love it. Now in this course we tackle the picture that you can see on the side there, which is Vincent van Gogh's Sunflowers. I know it was in oils, but I think it lends itself quite nicely to watercolours, and I take you step by step all the way through it. I'm sure you'll come up with something decent. Now if you're a little bit worried about your drawing skills, don't be, because there's a template. I've made a template to help you to get the drawing down. We use what's called trace down, and I'll show you right the way through how to do that. You can ask any questions. If you get stuck, you can ask me a question in the Q&A section. And the other thing is, you've got a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't like the course you get your money back, nothing lost. Don't think you will though. Alright, so sign up and I'll see you in the first lesson. See you now.